Module 31 Report Options. Another free lesson to help you become a better coder. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your continued support helps make these videos possible. And as always, I thank you all for watching this video. In this video, we are going to continue with our report options. We will add filters for each report type and make sure that our click action displays options accordingly. Let's see how I accomplish this. Good morning. Early morning. Alright, let's continue with our report. Let's see, let's go to our Access projects. Project management. Alright, we're going to continue from part 1. Let's make a copy of that latest one. Copy, paste. We're going to call this guy 31 report number 2. And let's open it up. Alright, let's take a look before we continue. Before we continue, alright, reports. So click on there, and I think we worked on this guy right here. You see there, and then it will select this guy. That guy shows up. See? Alright. Yeah. So now this could have more than one invoices. Okay. Alright. So that's good right there. What we need to do is add a button, say continue or cancel, right there. Continue or cancel. All right, and then we'll continue with the one of these, or yeah, the rest of them. All right, let's close it out. Let's open up the report option. Also, we need a button. I'm gonna come over here and grab a button from here. See there? Grab a button from there. Copy. Close. Click on that detail. Paste. And I'm gonna put it right there. And then paste it again. And put this guy right there. Let's add another button. Now I'm thinking about it. Yep. So let's make this guy just a tad wider. I was in the days of just now. Oops. That looks good. All right, let's rename this guy. We're gonna make this guy a CMD. How about view. All right, and this guy, we're gonna make this guy PDF. And then instead of just PDF, let's say create PDF, like so. And then this guy right here will be print, cmd print. That will send to the printer. That will just open up the view. Alright, so that's how that's going to work. So we're going to have 3 options. And that will be the last thing that we'll do. Alright, we're not going to implement these. We just kind of make this look right. Alright. Now we have a, let's take a look at this report here. Let's look at the customer. The customer, we can yeah. Let's do this. I'm gonna copy this guy right here. Copy. And then call this guy zip code. Yeah, zip code. We're gonna view customer by zip code. Alright, and then the combo right here, rename the CBO zip code, just like that, and we'll worry about the zip code later. Now I want this width to be the same as the invoice number. Alright, so to grab the invoice number drop down list, you come to the right here, look for right there, look for this guy, and then come to the right here looking for the width column. Right, let's see here, there's the width. Copy that right there, width, copy, and go back and select this guy and paste the width right there, just like that. Now we have the same width. Alright, and we also need I'm gonna move this guy down further for now. We also need another one, so make a copy of that zip code. Copy this one. We're gonna call this guy, you know what, zip code need to be separated here, CO, just like that. And we're gonna call this guy state. Alright, and we're gonna change his name to CBO state. I think that looks good right there. Alright, let's get the whatchamacallit, the data for those guys. So the easiest way to do this is to let's take a look at the customer right here. Yeah, the easiest way to do is to grab these guys right here. This one says state province, which is fine. State province is good. We're gonna conform to that state province. Oops, options right here. State province. Let's do state province. All right, and we know this. We're gonna grab information, the state right here, from this table. So state province. Yep. So now let's go back, and while that guy is selected, go to the row source right here. Oops, right there. Zoom, and we're gonna take all that out right there. Oops, right up to there. Customer ID, comma, state, province. Now you don't have to spell this out, capitalize this. All right, so that will be coming from the customer, and we're gonna sort this by state, province. Oops, if I know how to spell. Alright, we're almost done there. We want that to bind to the ID, which is column 1. However, up here to the top, see right here, 3 column count, change that to 2, and then take the last column out, display. 2.5 is good, just like that. Alright, so we got that. Now the zip code is essentially the same thing here. Let me see, what is this? Let's say zip code. Alright, so we that out, we know where it is. Here, instead of typing, we're going to copy this guy. Select this row source, copy, and then select this guy, paste, and we're gonna go zoom in it, change the state province to zip code, just like that. Alright, we're done there. Control S, save. Now let's go to the code. Let's go to the code. As a matter of fact, I'm going to close this report out now. And now go to the code. You see how we did these right here? Alright. So which one is customer? This guy's customer. This guy's a customer. So here we're going to say CBO zip code visible false. Me CBO state province visible. I think I left out the E there, the above, one above right there. Alright, I'm going to copy this. Make paste right there, paste it right there. However, on this one, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do this, the select, just like the other one that we did. Select case option customer options. You see there. And select. Now case 1, we'll do this, and then case 2, we'll do that. Now the case 1, what's the case 1? What's the case 1? So I have no idea. I'm going to push this guy down for now, looking for the okay, case 1 is zip code. I can see it right there. See that case 1 zip code and state. Alright, so let's move them back. We know case 1 is a zip code. Okay, let's go back to the code. So case 1 is a zip code, so zip code will be true, and this will be true like that. Alright, and then right here we'll say false, false, false. So that looks good right there. That looks good right there. Alright, now you see how we default this to number 1? We'll do the same thing here. Alright, so we'll do me CBO zip code equals me CBO zip code item data first item CBO state province equals me dot CBO state province item. Oh, by the way, you know what? We got to get back with there. I was just thinking about something here. We got to group this guy, otherwise it's going to list the whole everybody. All right, let's go back to the role sourcer here. Now that I'm thinking, well, yeah. So right here, we want to say group by. Group by, and we don't need this guy, by the way. We don't need the customer ID because we're gonna grab the customer by zip code. Yeah, we don't need that. My bad. Okay, now that yeah, this is yep. We're gonna grab that by zip code. So group by, oh, group by zip code. I thought I left something there, that's why I came back in. So that's how we're gonna do it. All right, we want to grab the zip code only. All right, so now we gotta fix this column there. Sorry about that. Yeah, this guy was not even fixed. And then we're just gonna take everything out except the 2.5 inch, just like that. All right. Now we do the same thing as this guy. We just want a state. All right. The state. Yeah. Let's take. I want to take a look at it again. State. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now that I've got an idea. We don't need a customer. All right. Because customer is a list of. We just want this guy state from customer, and then group by. Sorry about that. Group by state province, order by state province. Okay, that's good. The reason being is because there's gonna be a whole bunch of stuff in there if we don't group by. All right, so we just want this guy to be unique. Okay, now let's get back to where we were, right there. Okay, good, looking good. Wow, let's test it out, see if our options right. Close, save, close. Oh, you know what? I should have kept the main navigation opened. I keep forgetting. Right here, we need to keep this guy open. Check at email 1, 2, 3. There. All right. Let's go see. We need the customer right here. Good. See there? Zip code. How about state? Oh, we got it. Yeah. I don't know why. So let's go to design right there, and then minimize this guy. We're gonna select the, come over here, select the option customer, option customer right there. All right, and then go to the event right there. We gotta make a click right there, and same thing. We're gonna copy this guy right here. While we add it, we'll go ahead and do the activity. All right, we'll do the activity. Paste, and we'll go ahead and do the invoice. We did the invoice. What was the first one? Let me take a look. What was the first one? Report right there. Project. Let's do the project. It's looking for option project. Oh, right here. All right. So we'll go ahead and let's move this guy to the top. Copy, delete, and make this guy right there, and then we'll add this guy right here. Copy. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 options, 4 report types. So that's good. Now we don't have to worry about those clicking now. Alright, so let's close this guy out. Maximize this. Oh, where's all my navigation? Did we close that? I thought I minimized it. Oh well. Alright, let's test it out. Let's click on the customer and state. Perfect. See there? Good. How come we don't get any state? What the heck? What a heck? Uh-oh. No state. We got zip code, which is right. We don't have state. So let's take a look at that. Why no state? I minimized that. State. Let's take a look. Zoom. State problem from customer, group by state province, order by state province. Oh, I know why. Cancel. You know why? We forgot to default this right here. It's there. It should be 1. Remember this? I forgot this. Yeah. There. So that should be the same as this guy right here. Good. Alright. Now we know that works. We're gonna push this guy right overlay on top of that dude. See how we're doing it? Save. Close. Maximize this booger. Take a look. Look at that. Good. Oh, we still don't get that. Why is that? Well. Why is that? Well, one thing to do. Let me see. Let's go to the row source. Why is it not working? Copy that. I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot this guy. Go to create, design, paste. Misspell. You see there? I misspell. Province. I misspelled. Okay. So that's what you do. Anytime you know, expect something to show up, it doesn't show. If you go there, it will tell you exact one. It doesn't tell you what it is, but it will bark at you. You see that? Now we just put that guy in there, that N right there. I forgot. Misspell. Alright. Save. Close. Should be right now. State. Perfect. Arizona, and so on and so forth. Alright. What if you type in A? It automatically selects for you. What if you type in P? Look at that. How about M? Look at that. And then you just, yeah, perfect. Good. So we got those two. All right. Oh, we got a cancel here. Well, we can use this. We can use that. And you know what? This option, we don't want minimize, maximize. We just want to close. All right. Let's fix that. On this guy right here on the form, just click anywhere outside of the form environment. Come over here to the right, looking for controls. control box right here. You see there, control box. Close button, yes. Minimize, maximize, no. You see here, none, nada. That's good. That's all we need. Save, good. All right, now we need to work on, let's see, activity. Remember last time we talked about it. We're just going to do the activity, not the task. I'll let you do the task. So I'm going to come back over here and take this task out. All right, and we're just going to do an activity. Save. Now let's take a look at, I'm going to go ahead and close that out. Look at the activity right here. See what we have. Actually, let's look at the data instead. There. So we got yeah, we got activity type here too. Okay. Okay, so we can query by activity type, which is outgoing, whatever there. We can also query by employee, and then we can query by date range. All right, we're not going to query by project ID because that's not required. You see, that's not required. You see there, we have two empty ones. All right, we have two empty ones. This is an optional, because an activity could be project related or not. You see, or not. For example, you're trying to contact a new customer. All right, so a new lead, for instance, and you don't have a project for that customer because it's new. So we can query about the employee, date range, and activity type. All right. Now let's take a look at the query. I think that query has everything in there. Activity list right here. You see that we got employee, activity name, you see there, and the date, you see, and the date. All right, those three guys, and we're going to use the activity list. All right, so let's grab one of these little guys right here, copy, paste. That will be employee. All right, and let's paste another one. This will be activity type. Let's paste another one. This will be, oh, this one is different. Yeah, let's undo that. Well, let's do this one first. Let's do this one first because let's take a look at the activity option here. See, it's got date range. Oops. Let's try that again. Take the option. I'm going to move this booger down right there. We're going to change this guy to, this is the activity option. We're going to change this guy to activity type. And then select this little, select that guy, copy, paste. Yeah, don't select the label, just select this guy, alright, because that guy will say, hey, copy the label as well. But here, we want to say date range. Like that, alright, and make this guy a number 3. This option number 3. So we got 1, 2, 3. Alright. Okay, let's move it back up. Oops. there. Alright, so this guy right here, basically we can get this guy from employee. Alright, so this will be employee right here. First name, last name, and so on and so forth. Alright, and then we want an ID. So I'm gonna close that out. I know what I want. I want to concatenate the first name and last name too. Alright, let's go get it. Let's go to the row source. Zoom. I'm gonna right there. I'm gonna say employee ID, first name and space, last name. I think it's from employee. We don't have the group by here. We just do the order by first name. That's it. That's it. Save. And you know what? Let's take a look at the name here. Yeah, I thought I forgot the name. That you should always add the name first. Employee. Alright. And I'm gonna move this guy up. Right there. We know what that one's done. Now the activity type, we can just come over here and grab the activity type here. Instead of going through the query, because query could be a long list. Alright. Whereas activity type just individual. Okay, just individual. And yeah, you don't want to go to the long list. You want to go to the short list. These are called short list. Alright. So we're gonna do the short list. Long list is it. You know, it could be lengthy. This could be repeated. That's why it's long list. The activity name could be repeated. We don't want that. We want individual list. So activity type. We want the activity type ID and the activity name. Should be an activity type name, but it's alright. Okay, so let's fix that. Let's go there. Make that guy CBO activity type, and then go to this guy right here. Zoom. Activity type ID, activity name, from activity type, no group by because it's individual items, and order by right there. Order by activity name. Make sure I spell correctly. Activity name. Good. Alright, let's double check on this guy right here. Double check on this guy right here. Make sure we from input order by first name. Okay, good. Alright. Let's push this guy up. And we're gonna do the actually, you know what, we'll go ahead and do the date range. To do the date range, we just come over here at this guy right here. Right there. This one will be from, and I'm going to do the right align. Alright. Also, I want to select both of them. I want to make sure that the full color is text 1. just like that. Alright, and I want to make sure this guy is a short date. Alright, if you make this guy a short date, it will show up, the icon, the little calendar icon will show up onto the right here. Okay, so let's make format a short date, just like that. That looks good right there. Alright, let's copy. Oh, you know what, we got to give it a name, forgot about that. txt from date, and then this guy to, and then txt to date, txt to date. See that? Now I'm going to grab both of these guys and slide both of them up right there. Alright, Control S. Let's go back to the code. Okay, we're getting there, we're getting close. The activity, right? Now, once we get down here, we'll do the select case still. Select case, me, option, activity option, and select, and then as a matter of fact, we need to come over here. We want to make sure that the CBO employee visible is false. Me CBO activity type visible is false, and me txt from date visible false. To see how we're getting that, to date visible false. Now I'm going to grab all four of this guy, copy, not there but right here, because this is where these guys need to be invisible. Good. Now let's get back to the activity. So if it's one, case 1, that's an employee. Alright, we want the CBO employee. We'll go ahead and default the CBO employee item to the first one, and then CBO activity type visible false. And I got that in my clipboard. You know what? Yeah. Yeah, that will make it easier. Go ahead and take this guy out, and we're gonna make this guy true right here, true. Alright, and then case 2, paste. We'll grab that one from the top, remember that. This one is activity type true. Alright, now case 3, which is a date range, these two guys right here is true. Good. That's how that's gonna work. Alright, let's go validate our code here, make sure it works. That thing closed again. Let's go to main navigation. Alright. We tested that, now it's an activity. Look at that. Ooh, let's go ahead and fix that. Yeah, let's go ahead and fix that. We don't want it. We want 2 columns, but we want to display the second one. Alright, it's displaying the ID. We don't want that. Let's go fix that before we forget. come over here, employee, CBO employee. See the first column, we want 2 columns, and then we want that first column to be visible, 0. Alright, and double check all. There you go, ID and name. Yep. Alright, now let's double check the activity type, because what's CBO activity type? Oh, right here. Because we want this guy to be true as well. Do not show the ID. See there, 1, 2, good. And then the rest is you know what, this guy right here should be 2 that from 2. Oh, got you, I got you. Alright, let's close it. Let's take a look. That's better. You see there? That's better. Look, we got all employees right here. Look at that. Good. How about activity type? Oh, we need to default this guy. Okay, let's go back to our code here. We didn't default the all code right here. So if it's this, we want mem CBO activity type equals me CBO activity type item, first item. And if it's 3, we want to default me txt to date equals today's date, and then me from date equals date minus 7, 1 week. We want to retrieve the past 7 days, for the past 7 days rather. Alright, let's take a look. Let's change this. See there? Perfect. If you select that, you see this little icon. See? Select that, we got a little icon there. Good. Employee, look at that. Oh, you know what? That thing needs to move down. Need to be moved down a little bit here. Yeah, let's go ahead and fix that. Let's go ahead and fix that. How did it get up so far? Either that or, oh, I got you. This guy need to this guy. Why? That guy is too big. It should be like that. There you go. Yeah, that looks right now. Okay, save. Let's take a look at it again. That's better. Yeah, that's better. Good. Good, good, good. Activity, we gotta change that. We need to change that name to title. And then we need to also change this report to a report option. All right, so let's fix that. Unload. Oops. Me caption report options. And this right here, take the text out. That looks good right there. Close. Let's take a look. Invoice report options. Good. Customer. Activity. Good. Alright. Now we need to work on the project. Okay. All right, go ahead and drop that out. Let's look report option right here. Project. Let's take a look at the project. So project, we could retrieve the project by customer, or by date range, because project has to have a customer, and that's that. And then we want to look for the project that was added on as a date range. Okay, so that's what we'll do. So we'll need these two items: customer or added date. Now this one right here, we have to use the query project list, because you see that, because this guy's got a name, customer name, whereas this guy, the table, does not have customer name. See, project, it just has the customer ID. We don't want that. We want the name. All right, so yeah, so we need this guy, and then we need the date range from this guy. All right, so okay, I'm gonna leave that right there. As a matter of fact, I don't need it. I know what it is. I think I know. I think I remember. All right, let's grab one of these drop down list, copy, paste. Let's move him down a little bit more. Make this guy customer. Hey, we have customer already. Oh, we don't need that. We already have customer. Good. We already have a customer. We just need a added date range. Good. We don't need anything. All right. Undo that. We don't need it. Undo. Okay. So we got everything. All right. We don't need anything else, because we can use the from date to date. And we can also use the customer drop down list for the project. Now there's a problem here. If we use the customer, it will list all the customer. Let's take a look at this. Let me show you what my dilemma is here. Let me show you what my dilemma is here. All right, and which is not a biggie. We can fix it. You know, we're programmer. We can fix it. Gonna show you. So on this project right here, we want. Actually, we don't need it. Yeah, we don't need this. We just need customer and a date range. Now, if we select this guy, all right, and use this guy right here, let me show you. Oh, where's the customer? Employee. Oh, okay. All right. So we don't have customer. I thought we did have customer. That was, yeah, I thought we did have customer. Okay, I get it. Okay. All right, let's go add the customer drop down list. I thought we did have one. We didn't. All right, that's all right. So go ahead and copy that again. My bad. I thought we had a customer. So let's make this guy customer. And this one will be CBO customer, project customer, CBO project customer. The reason why I put project customer is because we are going to use the project list query. The reason being is because you have let me show you why. The same scenario that I was thinking. So we got a gazillion of these customers. However, we only have 2 projects. So what we need is retrieve a customer based on the project, not just all customers. All right. So that's why I say project customer. That means we need to use the project list. Zoom in. All right. So we'll go ahead and add customer ID, customer name from query project list. We're gonna order by customer name. All right, and this will be a 2 column. So let's scroll up. Okay, good. We got 2 column. Okay, good. And then we need a date range. Good. Date range. We got a date range. We're gonna massage this option project right here. We're gonna massage this guy a little bit here. So we're gonna take this guy. We are going to take this guy out, delete, and then we are gonna move these 2 guys to the front, right about there. And then we need to select this guy, make sure that option is 1 because we moved the 1, and we'll select this guy, make sure that guy is 2. Alright, let's move him back. Right there, make sure they overlap perfectly. And then we need to move this guy, project customer, right there. Looks good. Control S. All right, let's go to the code behind. And now we are going to just only do this. CBO customer, project customer, there. That's the only one that we want to make it invisible. Here, same way, me, CBO, project customer, visible, false. Here, same way, me, CBO, project, visible, false. Good. Let's go back to the top, the project, right here. Right here, we need to take this guy out, and we want to say select case me option project and select case 1. We want me CBO project visible true. We also want to make sure that guy has something or defaulted to something. The first one rather, item, and me text from date visible false. Me text to date visible false. And case 2, me actually case 2 right here. We're gonna copy the bottom one right here. I'm gonna copy this guy right here. Case 2. Paste. And we're gonna change this guy to CBO project customer, and then delete this guy. That's it. Save. Alright, let's go take a look. Close. Maximize this guy. Look at that. We got customer, and we should have only 2 items. Two. See there? We don't need 2. Now what if you have long list? That long name. What if you have long name? Let's check out the date range. Look at that. Good. So far so good. Alright, now I'm interested in here. See there? We want this guy to be out here. Alright, let's go fix that. Let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can do that. Can we do that? Come over here. Easy to select right here. Customer. CBO. Project customer. See this. I wonder if we can just make this guy 3. Alright, let's save that. See if that, you see how it works. It doesn't go out. It doesn't go out. Alright. I think we can do it. Let's go back. Let's select CBO customer right here. See this auto right here? It's auto right here. Auto list width. How about make it 3? Let's see what that looks like. Let's see what that looks like. That's better. You see that? So we got a short list right here, but we got a long list right there. You see there? That's how you make that guy way out. Alright? That's that. We just came in to make sure that we got everything ready for us to start creating a report. We got this guy right here. Got this guy right here. See? We got this guy right here. Good. We got this guy right here. We got everything that we need to start creating report. Alright. Other than you can dress this up to make it look real pretty. Alright. And that's up to you. That's up to you. You can color out, you know, whatever this guy is to make it uniform as this guy. Alright. For example, if his project, you see how his project is dark gray right here? We can make that name to look like that. You know what? Let me show you how to do that. I like that. You see this color right here? Let me show you how to work with that. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta be a kid, you know. I'm gonna make this guy I'm gonna hold on just a sec here. Gonna make this guy right there, and then shrink this guy down a little bit, make it line up just right, and then I'm gonna shorten that guy out. These right here will put good right here. I'm gonna put right there, kind of center it out right about there, shorten it up, That looks good right there. That looks good right there. Control S. This guy is label header, so let's go fix that out. All right. Also, let me show you. Let me show you right here. Right here. We can do it here, or we can do up there. I think we can do it right here. I'm gonna do this. So here, let's take a look at the main navigation. See, the first one is dark blue. Hold on. Where's the project? Project is number 3. Project is number 2. Number 2 is dark blue, dark brown. Okay. So we're gonna do that. We'll say me LBL back color equals dark brown right there, and then me LBL header foreground full color white, and then let's go back to the main navigation. This one is activity, so looking for activity. Activity is number 3. Number 3 is dark cyan. You see that? Dark. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna copy this guy right here. Copy. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna copy that booger, put it right there, and change this to me. Dot LBL header. See there? Me dot LBL header. That's good. Now this customer. I think customer is the number 1. So let's go check out the customer. What happened to customer? Oh, you know what? It's not in the main. It's in the admin. My bad. Admin. Admin. Yep, the first one, which is dark brown. Oh, no. Which is dark blue. I'm just gonna copy this guy right here. Copy. Close that, close that. This is a customer. Me header. Change control to me header. Alright. And last one, which is an invoice. Admin. I think it's the last one. Number 7. Number 7 right here. Copy. Header. Me. Good. Alright, save. Close. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Ooh. What happened? You know why? What happened? I bet you that label is transparent. Alright, so let's check out why label is not. Yeah, I think it's transparent right here. Let's go take a look. See there? Transparent. See there? Back style transparent. Change that to normal. That's it. Now we got it. Now we got it. Something that when it happens to you, you gotta recognize it. Oh, you know what? That font, it's not even in the middle. We want that font to be in the middle. Let's take a look at the next one. See that customer? It jives with that color. Activity jives with this. Well, yeah, right there. But this guy is not in the middle. We want it to be right about that center there. It's in the middle, but not is too far, little far up. All right, let's fix that. I'm going to show you how to fix that little little itty bitty things. All right, little itty bitty things. Select the label. If you come down here, I think it's called top, right here. Top bottom left. Let's see. Hold on. Top margin. Right here, top margin. We're gonna change that to 0.05. Let's take a look at 0.05 top margin. Let's see what that looks like. Let's look at it. Oh, it come down a little bit. You see there? Come down a little bit. How about 0.6? Yeah, let's change that to 0.6. We're gonna change that to 0.6. Top margin right here. I think 0.6 would be awesome right here. Right there. And while we add it, see how we got 12 right here? We're gonna make that 14. Save. We should be good. Nice. Right dead center. How'd you like that? Look at that. So this coincides with this whatchamacallit, report project. See brown. That looks good. Now I notice if we go to this guy right here, we want to color this guy, the background here for the entry. All right, so I want to take a look at this. Blue. All right, blue. Cancel. So we want to fix that. We want to fix that. We want this. I think it's blue. As a matter of fact, yeah, leave that there. We're gonna come back in here. We'll go ahead and default this guy to txt. The back color blue. Oh, I think is it a light blue? How about light blue? Is that light blue? Yeah. Oops. 2. Back color. Now before I go further, I want to make sure that we got light blue. So if we scroll down, looking for lock and no lock, white, lock, clear, lock, unlock, light blue right there. See there? Good. All right. Now we should be we should have our theme now. Control S. So let's close that out. Let's go to project. Change to date range. Nice, light blue. Good. That's that for now. Everything looks right. And coffee is still good. Yeah. That's that. That's what we came to do. We came to massage this. And we got all the stuff that we need. Alright. In the next video, we are going to start making report for each one of these guys. Alright. We're going to make a report for each one of these guys. Perhaps we're going to make sample report for each one of these. Alright. Not necessarily a data, but just something to pop up. Okay. Something to pop up. So But yeah, that's good for today. We came to do what we need to do. All right, and so this is what we came to do. We're gonna stop right here. And happy programming, people. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.